present to you the first candidate for a new pet, a wolf!
But he eats a lot. There won't be enough food at our house to feed you both.
Fine. Then the candidate number 2, a cheetah. So graceful and beautiful.
You're gonna have to take it for a long walk. You know they run really fast, right? Let's see who's next.
Okay, next is a pig. Oh, what a cute little snout.
Are you willing to clean up all its mess, huh?
But Sue, there's no such thing as ideal pet without any flaws.
Of course there is, and I already know which one. Check out this Swift Scout Teemo.
And how do you suggest we get him?
That's easy. Come on, I'll show you.
Right back at ya.
Hi guys, today we're gonna make a Tamagotchi house for Teemo the Scout.
What rooms are we gonna have? Maybe you had better make him jungle or cave for mountains?
Not today. Let's start with the domestic version, and we'll probably make an adventurous one the next time. So Sammy, what do you want to say about this living room, huh?
Let me see. What can I say? It clearly misses a few details and color. Now that's much better. Now you know what an interior design is. Go ahead and try to color the bedroom.
You got it, the Great Master. Your wish is my command.
Not bad, but I'll deal with the kitchen myself. Alrighty, we're definitely gonna need a table, a fridge full of food. Got it!
Whoa! Sammy, let me see that.
Watch and learn.
You did so great. I wouldn't mind having a cup of tea in this kitchen, but the bathroom's my favorite.
You wish! I spend more time there bathing my decadent mermaid every day.
Then you 3 water lovers had better be careful not to flood our neighbors.
The floor's already kind of wet. I'll take care of that.
In the meantime, Teemo's bathroom is done.
Speaking of Teemo, we almost forgot about the main character and his outfits.
Great job, Sammy. We only need to brighten everything up. Let's make it colorful.
Oui, color! Color is better! And Samuel Magnifique will make sure the costume fits.
If you say so, Maestro. And our model is ready to go. Let's move on to the outfits. This is gonna be a sweet onesie, panda style. I really like it.
Pandas. I remember how once back in Tibi Dabo I met one. What a cute creature.
Sammy, check out what I have here. What do you think?
Oh, I love
Holy feta, are you alright?
I'm okay, Sue. Just keep working and you'll become a super great designer.
Really? I will become just like you? Oh, I would totally like that.
Hey, there's only one just like me. Me!
I still think I did great with this bee outfit.
Yeah, I'll take it from here.
Hey, I was almost done.
Then you wouldn't mind me trying. Let's go! Did you see how fast I was?
Whoa, awesome! Guys, our Teemo's wardrobe is ready. Doesn't these look cute? Now I only need to… Oh, where's that film? I'm sure I had it.
You're talking about this? I found it and I decided to make a fish tank for my room out of it.
It's no good for a fish tank, but it's just what we need to laminate everything. Check this out. Snap, and it's all done.
So, what's the next step, Sue? Should we attach Teemo to a wooden stick, maybe? Boo! Today's episode is all about me, you pink slime. I'm the main character of this channel.
I was just kidding around. But these wooden sticks are gonna be perfect to secure the rooms. We'll make kind of paper rolls, like in the old photo cameras.
Then we've got to attach everything properly. Now these won't go anywhere.
Well done, Sammy. We did a great job, but we're rather far from the finish line, so let's keep going. In order to watch our Teemo, we need to make a window in the front wall of Tamagotchi. Now, let's get rid of the excess. And hop! Now we're talking.
Sue! I know how we could secure that paper roll with the rooms!
That's a great idea, but this piece needs a bit of adjustment. Have you seen a puncher?
Why, sure. I was just about to start making confetti for the mermaid with it.
But now we'll use it to make the openings for the mechanism so that we could rule Teemo's life.
Oh, I like how that sounds. He'll go right, he'll go left, and straight ahead the coast is clear.
That doesn't work for Tamagotchi. It's not a plane. Here we go. 2 pieces like this one will be holding a paper roll in its place.
Let me insert these, please. I can't wait to start controlling the change of rooms process. Oh, help me here. Yeah, like that. One more. Hop. Great.
Oh, Sammy, you're all about controlling and commanding. And with our Tamagotchi, you will be doing that for as long as you want.
But we need to hide the whole mechanism too. We don't want to reveal the secret to anybody. Huh? Do you mind?
Let me help. Only the guys have already seen how we made it.
Then I have to make them forget everything. Bibbidi bobbidi subscribe! Wow!
Oh, Sammy, come on. Don't cast a spell on anybody.
Well then, at least I summoned a lollipop.
Okay, back to our Tamagotchi then. We need to secure the pieces of its body more tightly together. Just be careful with the scissors, guys. So, we're gonna use a strip which kinda looks like the dragon's teeth.
Dragons! I want to be a dragon too. I'll help you and accompany Teemo in the game.
Great idea! Speaking of help, Sammy, I need to make more openings here.
Well, that puncher is kinda unavailable. Try this one.
Oh, I just hope that you won't use puncher on my stuff. I don't feel like being surprised with new fashionable clothes with the holes all around them.
Hey! I did that to your t-shirt only once. But okay, this time I'll upgrade Roger's jeans.
I doubt that Roger's gonna like that. You had better help me with the craft if you want to finish today.
Yeah, I'm coming. What did you manage to make without me, huh?
Here, I'm just making the Tamagotchi prettier. Maybe you could deal with the needs for our character.
I sure can. So, he's gonna have to sleep, eat, bathe. I think this is it.
In the meantime, I've made these windows. Are you done yet, Sammy?
Yep, it took me a while.
A perfectionist as he is. Now we'll secure everything properly. Something's wrong with it.
Really? Let me see. Well, I think I got it. No biggie.
Interesting. And what is your inner voice saying to you, huh?
That if Teemo will want to eat, bathe, and sleep at the same time, we're gonna face an emergency.
Right, we sure wouldn't want that. Let's get to it. 1, 2...
Oh, Sue, move faster. I really want to play already. What's taking so long?
Oh, Sammy, don't rush. Besides, we need to add one more piece to the body of our craft.
I will do it faster than you. Give it to me. Oh, come on.
I have no doubts, but still... Hey, the openings are already here. We'll attach it like this so that it won't go anywhere.
Super Slime is back to business. Make way, Susan. Ta-da! See? And you wouldn't let me do that.
Oh, you're right. My bad. Everything looks perfect now. Only 1 step's left. We all have our own secrets, and this is going to be a secret hiding place for Teemo. Let's put him in this envelope so that he doesn't run away to the jungles.
Did you say envelope? Are you writing a letter to someone? I must know that!
Relax. This is just where we'll be keeping Teemo and some accessories while we're not playing Tamagotchi.
I'll deal with everything. I know how to make any game even funnier.
And what did you come up with?
Straight out your head, Sue!
Okay, I did it. Bring it on. Wow, these are so cute. Oh, Sammy, you did really great. We'll check out everything later. In the meantime, let's put it here so we don't lose anything.
Teemo also decided to help. Check out what we brought.
Wow, this is awesome. Here, let me help you take it all off. Oh, cool stuff. And it goes here. Don't you think we should decorate these wooden sticks somehow?
Sam the Magician is way ahead of you. Hocus pocus!
Huh? Gotcha! These are great lids, and they match the color. Let me secure everything. It's not only good looking, but it's also comfortable. Well, isn't our Tamagotchi turned out great?
Sue, when are we going to start playing already? It's all done, right?
Just one last touch is left. With these fake buttons, the whole thing's gonna look real. Well, what do you say?
But I've taken out everything. Let's get started.
All right. Do you mind talking for Teemo?
That I can do. Hey everyone, Teemo the Scout is here. You're about to see a one-day routine of mine.
Our little hamster is in the living room. What does he want to do the most?
I'm bored. I want to entertain myself. Maybe watch some TV.
Aha, we can see that need of yours. What's better than some forest adventure?
Oh, this is so much fun. But where's my best of the best friend, Sammy?
Wait a second. We're about to watch how once you two took a walk.
Yeah, that's interesting. But can we better watch a film about Sam's trip to TV Dabo?
Sammy, you overacting here. Please take away that stick and just keep playing.
It's just, I would really like to be in TV Dabo right now.
Anyway, after that emotional binge watching, Teemo needs to have some rest.
I'm gonna need a nap for just a couple of minutes.
Yeah, just a second. Let me take you to the bedroom in one easy movement. There you go, Teemo. Your panda-like onesie's so cozy. Go to bed and don't forget about a nice big blanket. Huh? Oh wow! While Teemo's having a rest, Sammy decided to grab a bite. That made Teemo hungry too.
Oh yes, I'm full of energy. So, what's for breakfast?
Why don't we move to the kitchen and find out? There's gotta be something in the fridge. Hop. Just a little more. Well, who's ready to rummage all of the sweet stash? It's our Teemo, of course.
Sammy B! I just don't see any honey here. Where's all the food?
Go ahead and check out the fridge. Look, there are vegetables, a cake, and…
So many yummy things in here! Sue, why isn't our fridge like that?
Stay in character, Sammy. Remember, you're Teemo now.
Oh, right. Yum, such a tasty cake! See, he wasn't impressed by the veggies.
But Teemo has to eat something nutritious, not only sweets. And here's a cup of coffee to get yourself awake.
Ugh, coffee is bitter. Don't we have some juice or Coke instead?
Teemo got a little bit dirty while eating that cake. He needs to take a shower.
Right! I need a shower or a bath. Where's the bathroom here?
Coming right up, and there's gonna be everything you need. Teemo goes right here, and then we'll add some bubbles. Should I make the water hotter?
It's so nice and warm. I'm gonna be fresh and cool.
Teemo is ready for his new adventure, and our Tamagotchi is ready to be checked out. Teemo! Sammy, what are you doing?
I've decided that this was not a quite fair contest. We do have Teemo, but we also have someone else.
So, you decided to live inside the Tamagotchi yourself? But it's too small for you, and Teemo would mind.
Oh yeah? Where's his gratefulness? I've created you! I am your father, Teemo!
Oh, Sammy, that was really funny. But seriously, give Teemo his top honor.
No way! This thing's mine!
Guys, give us a thumbs up if you liked our Tamagotchi. See you around. Bye. Sammy, come back.